Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to an update on Hurricane Milton's tornado threat. So, unfortunately, we are seeing a tornado outbreak ongoing across central and southern Florida. As a result of the bands of Hurricane Milton, we have at least 7 tornado warnings across southwestern Florida and central Florida ongoing, and a lot of rotation is ongoing in these bands looking at the tornado warnings. Most of these are going to be radar indicated, including some of the tornado warnings east of Cape Coral, Naples, east of Northport, a cluster of tornado warnings in central Florida in rural areas, and then we have a particularly nasty tornado warning, an observed tornado warning west of Port St. Lucie in Florida. We can go ahead and take a look at our observed tornado warning on the velocity and look at the hook on this storm. This is a classic supercell that you would see in the springtime across the Midwest, and you can see on the velocity. Here's a very strong rotation couplet. Also a strong rotation couplet with this cell north of Avon Park or Avon Park. In fact, it just got stronger. So, if you live in any of these tornado warnings, please be seeking shelter, as these tornadoes are going to be particularly strong, unfortunately, as we see Hurricane Milton near landfall this evening. So we can take a look at our convective outlook. We have an enhanced risk of severe weather across central Florida in areas like Orlando, Melbourne, and Fort Myers, a slight risk in the yellow and a marginal risk in the dark green. And this is all driven by tornadoes. We have a 10% chance of a tornado touching down within 25 miles of a location today across central Florida in Fort Myers, Melbourne, and bordering on Orlando. And look at this hatched area. This means we could be seeing some tornadoes of EF2 or stronger, which rarely happens during landfalling tropical systems. So we are going to be seeing particularly strong tornadoes across south central Florida. Unfortunately, today, I predict dozens of tornadoes will spawn from Hurricane Milton over the next 12 to 15 hours or so. Got a 5% tornado risk up through Tampa and Miami in the brown, 2% chance in the green. So if you live across south central Florida, make sure you are paying very close attention to the radar over the next several hours, as a tornado outbreak will continue and dozens of tornadoes will spawn for the next 12 to 15 hours. Thanks for watching this brief update on Hurricane Milton's tornado threat. Please stay safe and have a wonderful day, my friends.